Hey guys, running Kimono here, and even before we dive into today's savings, we're going to talk really quickly about the Fetch Rewards app. Of all of the apps, this one is my favorite. Even buying groceries, you're getting points towards gift cards. It's that easy. For new signups only, when you use my referral code at sign up and you scan your first receipt, it could be anything, a pack of gum that you bought last week, you're going to be given 2,000 points, which is $2. Once you hit the $5 mark, guys, you can get yourself a Starbucks gift card. Like, how awesome is that? My referral code is right at the top of the screen. It's also in the notes, but it's just a tremendous app. Like, anything you're buying, you photograph your receipts and you're getting points. And if you're a couponer, you're probably sitting on a bunch of receipts. And once in a blue moon, they actually have free items. You go and buy the item and then get back the full amount in points. Like, how awesome is that? And today, guys, I went and got a couple groceries and little things for the house, and I actually got 90 points over at Walmart. And this is just for like food and stuff. And those points really add up quickly towards gift cards. So if you're interested, again, this is for new signups only. Please check out the link in the notes and don't forget to use my referral code. Now, in case you missed it, I'm hosting a very quick little giveaway. We have the best of two worlds inserts, and one lucky winner will get one of these beautiful Conair hair dryers. So this is in yesterday's video. I will link it at the very end in case you missed it, and I will be picking the winners on Monday morning. So good luck, guys. We have a whole bunch of Walgreens magic, and we're going to talk about that in a quick second. I did have one snag I'm going to talk about, but customer service made it right. And then I made a mistake because I got a phone call in the store and I grabbed the wrong friggin' sunscreen. So that's on me, but you know what? It's not the biggest problem because it's still balanced out in the end. And then we have a real cheapie over at Meyer we'll talk about at the very end. Weather report for you guys, about 90 degrees today, so it is really, really hot. I hope all of you had a wonderful 4th of July. I went and watched some fireworks last night with Mr. Kimono, and it was really fun. We actually watched it from a Dollar General parking lot. So that's some dedication right there. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day. Okay, so let's talk about Walgreens right off the bat. So because they don't have a flyer anymore, they have a printout, and this is the printout that they have. So, you know, I found this right at the front of the store where the flyers used to be. So, you know, all of the highlighted deals of the week. Unfortunately, the Angel Soft, I was going to try and grab one of these to show you guys. They didn't have any in stock at my store, so I guess people love Angel Soft, but the rest are kind of like meh deals. There's supposed to be a beauty event this Thursday to Saturday, so I think that's when everything is really gonna pick up, to be perfectly honest. So I did a bunch of deals, a lot of them just using points, using register rewards, razzle dazzle, and a little bit of magic, and everything for the most part balanced out. Customer service over at Walgreens is usually quite fantastic, and the lady today on the phone was just an angel, like sent right from heaven, just very nice lady. So she helped me out where a digital coupon didn't come off, and she just threw the points on my card. It was not like the Spanish Inquisition, so that really helped out. So today, for whatever reason, I found these, and this is usually a product that's only found online, but it was in store, which was bizarre. So I think somebody might have bought it and then just returned it. It's sealed. And I thought my mom or mother-in-law might enjoy these, so I just used register rewards to pay it down. These guys were $2.49 each, so for two of them it was like just under $5, but with tax, you know, I used a $5 register reward last week from Tide to pay that down for two of them. I've never seen these before, like the individual wrapped, but hey, I was happy to get them. Okay guys, so the Scott at my store were $4 a pop, and for whatever reason I had a bunch of $4 register rewards and I had some points, so I decided to grab two of them. I thought that was a really great price point. So two of them were $8 on the nose. I also went online just to double check, you know, what are they ringing up for, and both the paper towel and the toilet paper are ringing up for $4 a pop. And there was a tag at my store that it said 20% off, which is $4. So I grabbed two of them, and two for $8, and I used a register reward and 4,000 points, and I had to pay tax for the balance for that. And just to show you a quick view here of what the tag looks like, and there it is. Okay, guys, and this is one I would probably just pass on unless you absolutely need this product. So at most Walgreens, you can get a manager to price modify one item for you per transaction. Now, this Dulcolax Pink in store, most of the Dulcolax was $8.99. Online, it's $5.89. That's a huge discrepancy in price. So if you can get that price mod with a coupon and IBOTTA, I mean, it's a free item. But I mean, if your store is like really strict or everything's a hard and fast no, or if the manager is just not there, it might be kind of a challenging one. So if this is probably for a more experienced shopper, you're going to have to ask for a price mod. Now this is where I came up with my first snag, but it wasn't the biggest problem. I grabbed 2 copper tones and then I got a phone call and I was supposed to grab one for $10.99 and one for $9.99, but I grabbed 2 for $9.99 and that's on me. And I guess I was asleep at the wheel at checkout because I wasn't paying attention. So let's just show you what you should be buying, okay? So I'm gonna throw up a photo here. The liquid is $10.99 and then the spray is $4.99. It's on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. So the total for that, guys, is $15.98. In last weekend's Smart Source, there was a 5 off of 2. Utilizing one of those, you'll pay $10.98 cash out of pocket. You must pay cash for the balance because it's a spend offer. And then you'll get back 5,000 points, making it $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 for each. Obviously I was, I think, 2 pennies short from getting my 5,000 points. However, this is part of Beauty Club and I wanted to test this out before the beauty event to see if this would trigger for beauty, and yes, it is. So I was like $1 short from hitting Beauty Club and this triggered my Beauty Club. So even though it's kind of sucky, I don't really care. I still got my 5,000 points. It basically shaked these out to really cheap for me, and there's a good amount of it. My husband uses a lot of these when he's working outside, so I'm okay with that. It's just not the end of the world. But if you are gonna do it right, grab one for $10.99 and then grab one for $9.99 on a buy one, get one 50% off. You have to be at $15 to get back your 5,000 points. And this will definitely be in a part of a deal for my Wednesday video for the beauty event. Now this is another really good deal this week. It's on these selected products for the laundry by P&G. So these guys are 4 for $8. Now there's a $2 coupon in the July P&G. Unfortunately, the local P&G does not have that, so I could not utilize coupons. However, I had a couple views from last week for buying a bunch of deodorants, so I utilized 2 of those. So buying 4 of these, that's $8. Utilizing 2 $4 register rewards, I'm paying tax. Now, I prognosticated, I really thought there would be a $2 coupon for this guy as a digital this morning. Nope, 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 nothing. So sorry about that, guys. It's just sometimes the breaks, but that really kind of stinks. But hey, it is what it is. Now this is a really fantastic deal. If you might have a 3 off of 2 coupon that showed up about a week ago, and these are exactly $1 at my store. I know some stores they're $1.29. So it's a difference between free or 90 cents. It is your choice. If you think that paying 29 cents per toothbrush is too much, then pass on this deal. But I think even at 29 cents, it would be a pretty fantastic deal. So grabbing 4 of these guys, that's $3. It's on a buy 2, get 1 for free. But to trigger that 3 off of 2, our total has to be at least $3, right? So that's why I got a 4th one. So that's $3. Subtracting that 3 off of 2, I just had to pay tax for this. This is where my snag happened. I also had a 7 off of 2, and what I thought in my little brain was that buy 2, get 1 for free. Buy 2, get 1 for free. These guys were $1.99, and this is gonna be the free item, right? So I would pay $7.96 for the 4 and then get these 2 toothbrushes for free using the 7 off of 3. You know, I pay 96 cents after everything's said and done. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. You know what happened? These 2 rang up, and then this one was free, and then I got that for free, and I was like short again by like 3 pennies. The customer service rep actually gave me the $7. She's like, yeah, it's fine. I can see what you were doing. And I got the cashier to scan boom, 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 but it didn't matter. So don't do it my way. What I would do is this. I would grab 6 of these dental flosses. They're $1.99 a piece, and you're only gonna pay for 4 of them because 2 of them are free on a buy 2, get 1 for free. So for 4 of these at $1.99, that's $7.96. That 7 off of 3 coupon is affixing to this product. So it would be 96 cents for 6 dental flosses. That's the way to do it. Don't mess with this because for whatever reason it's throwing a big monkey wrench in it, and I don't know why. It happened with me with the Dove stuff a couple weeks back too, so I just because it was ringing up one way because I was watching the cash register for that one time, and I don't know, it's just like something goofy happened. But customer service rectified this for me, so this was like it was free for me after everything was said and done. But do it the right way and grab 6 of these. My store unfortunately only had 4 of these, so that's why I kind of was left trying to Frankenstein a deal together. But the right way would be to grab 6 of these, and it would balance to $7.96. Subtracting that 7 off of 3, you're paying 96 cents for 6 of these, which is a really badass price for floss. The next little dealio that we have is with the dry sprays. And I know that some people really are always looking for these Sweat Defense by Old Spice. So hey, it's part of it this week. So these dry sprays are $6.99 a pop. So the price point for that, guys, is $27.96. We have a buy one, get one free from last weekend's Retail Me Not. Using 2 of those, it'll take off the most, which is $5.99, guys, even though it's $6.99. But hey, that's better than a kick in the face. You're left with paying $15.96 out of pocket. Now I used 10,000 points to pay that down. So I had to pay $5.98 out of pocket, and then I got back another 10,000 points. IBOTTA gave me back $1.25 for each of these. Now you can do that up to 3 times, but unfortunately my store only had 2 of these, so I was kind of out of luck there, because it would be $3.75 if I could track down 3 of those. So the final price point for me was $3.48 for the 4, or 87 cents per dry spray. That is not too shabby. The next deal that we have is a little bit of fanciness. It is the Venus razor for $9.99, and this fancy shaving cream in the new tube for $5.99. So buying these 2 together, guys, that's a subtotal of $15.98. We had a $4 digital show up for this guy this morning and a $2 one for this lady. So it dropped it down to $9.98. Now I used 10,000 points because in Michigan you can actually use your points to pay down some of your tax. So I just paid the balance of a little bit of tax for this one. And then I got back 3,000 points for this and 2,000 points for this. So the final price point after everything was said and done is $249 for each, which, you know, I won't lose any sleep over that. And just to let you know before people ask, because a lot of people will say, oh, I'll just wait till beauty day and do this as part of my beauty event. Deodorant, razors, dental, not part of beauty club. So don't even try it. I would do these deals separately because that's probably the smarter way to go. But yeah, very delighted with Walgreens. Of course, I had a little hiccup there, but that's on me. And then this customer service made it right as rain, but I'm pretty happy with my little haul today. It just, everything went really well. Okay guys, so see how right here, it's completely gone? Like somebody came to the store and cleared it. But if you look up there, there they are. I just got 14. So whoever cleared my store, you weren't that great. Okay, so the last store that we have is a Meijer. Meijer is in the Midwest only. There is no sister store. This is part of like the weeks leading up to back to school. They always have like freebies and cheapies or really cheap items. And this is the cheap item of the week, which is 25 cents for one of these. And it's 70 pages, and I got about 14 of them. Now, to let you guys know, somebody went into the store first thing and grabbed everything off the shelf, and I looked really high and I realized, oh, that's where they store them, and I grabbed what I could grab. I like to use these for matchups for my couponing, so this is an essential item I needed. Like, I didn't clear the store completely, but the person ahead of me did, so, I mean, they were good, but they weren't great because they didn't look up. And sometimes if you look up on a display, you can find a little bit of magic. So that was Meijer. So anyhow, guys, as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.